Today we're asking one simple question. Will it deploy? What will Mohammed be deploying today? You can reveal.
Oh, PacMan. Interesting. What are we doing? Let's have a look. Remake of PacMan by Sean Williams. Historical tribute. Let's take a look. Ooh, nice. It's here. Nice. Brings back some good memories. Okay.
Nice.
This is cool. This is cool. So let's take a look at what is it? Is it just a front end thing? Let's have a look. Confirm desktop browsers, games. Wow, nice. This is awesome. Practice mode. All right, I guess let's see if it's basically a static thing. So maybe let's try and clone it locally and open it and see what happens. Let's just go to dev, clone. Step 1, run it locally. Locally. So let's open index.html and see if it works. Seems like it does. So it doesn't even need a server. So this is going to be easy because all we need is, if we were to deploy this on S3, all we need is like an S3 bucket. And then basically upload the files and it should be up. Shall we try?
Let's give it a try.
All right. So, okay, I need an AWS account first of all. Yeah. Let me pause while I log into it. Unpause. Okay. Cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create an S3. I'm in our test account, which we use for dummy stuff. Nothing important in here. Let's create. I want this to actually be public, so I'm gonna uncheck this. And then this should be it. I acknowledge. So we want the files to be publicly accessible because they're just HTML files. And then this is our bucket. Now we want to upload our files. So let's give it a shot. AWS S3 sync, S3 PacMan, and then dot. Actually, it's the other way around, I think. Always forget. And then let's try this. It's uploading. So we're just uploading all our stuff to the bucket from the GitHub repo. We probably didn't need all Git, but this is this. And then what we want to do is we want to get the URL, which usually is create. Oh, it's usually in properties somewhere. La la la. Oh yeah. So we open, basically, of course, we open index, for example. Let's find PacMan again. Let's open index. Should be the object URL. Access denied. Access denied, which is interesting. Oh. It's probably because when we did the S3 sync, it wasn't, the policy wasn't made public. So for now, I'm going to hack this and let's make the index public for now and see what happens. Is it metadata? No. I think when we did the sync, let me just look at AWS S3 sync help. Let's search for ACL. Yeah. So we want the ACL to be public read. So we just wanted to pass this. So if we run the command again, the pass ACL to be public read. Feels like an exam, man. Like, oh my god, what is going on? No pressure. How do I even check what is the ACL? ACL. Stable versioning. Permissions. Everyone. This bucket has the bucket owner enforce setting applied for object ownership. When bucket, learn more. Object actions. Okay, I can't even edit the thing. It seems like but default when another AWS account uploads an object to your S3 bucket that owns the object has access to it and grants user access to it. Okay, what if we try this? Maybe if I delete everything and then I try to run the command again with the permanently delete all this. Oh. Okay. So now the uploads are failing because it says an error occurred. Access control is not supported when calling version. Okay, the bucket. So the bucket does not allow ACLs. I see. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Let's try. This time I'm not gonna. Oh, ACL is disabled. This is the step we missed, right? All objects are owned by this account. Access is specified using only policies. Can be owned by other AWS accounts. Access. Okay, so maybe this is where we missed. Bucket owner preferred. Public access. Okay, so let's do this. Maybe we missed this setting. Never remember the setting present. I acknowledge. Let's create it. And then let's try to do this again. But this time we want PacMan 2. Okay, it's happening. Okay, so we accidentally stopped recording instead of showing the camera. I'm not sure if I'm visible on camera yet. We will probably fix this in another video. But to summarize, so we created the second bucket here. We enabled ACLs in the second bucket.
I have some legacy stuff, which maybe I can deploy somehow. Some code.
What's going on here? Sorry for that. But essentially, we uploaded the file. And then with the object URL here, we can see that it's deployed. We don't need index.html. Oh, we do. It's deployed. And I'm going to play some PacMan. See you in the next one. I'm going to eat some ghosts. Boom.